What are we going to be doing today? Today we are going to build a fully functional online banking website with email notification function, online banking, opening of accounts, transfer. Okay, look at it. So this is what we'll be doing. Okay, this is what we'll be doing. This is what at the end of the day you'll be able to build. Okay, you'll be able to log in, be able to build a fully functional website. Okay, you'll be able to make transfer. Then you'll be able to, it comes with the function of OTP. Yeah, this is the authorization code. So authorization code. Also the tax pin function code, which will be given by the customer care, so you can validate transfer. This transfer confirmation is PDF download receipt function. So this is the description. Okay, all right, this is the balance, and also check the email and see debit alert is instantly sent to the email of the customer. Okay, so you can see internal transfer function, you can see international transfer function, you can see you can view ATMs, look at the ATM cards. Okay, credit, can view credit cards function. Okay, you can also have the loan application functionality. Okay, so this is what we'll be doing at the end of the day. This is what we'll be building at the end of the day, and this is the admin. Okay, so admin can view users, and then admin can also credit and debit. Okay, so just sit tight, and as we go into this video fully. Hello everyone, welcome to this amazing section. In today's training, we are going to build an online banking with a lot of features. Today we're going to see how to make a fully functional online banking. Okay, before we go straight into it, please, this is for educational purpose. This is for especially those who are having a project, who are having projects to do. Okay, you can actually use this to help yourself to build a fully functional online banking with a lot of features, SMS alert, email alert, you understand, OTP and PIN and tax. Okay, so just go ahead and watch. We're going to build it from scratch and then to the finish. At the end of this video, you are going to be able to build a fully functional online banking. Okay, there's the restriction aspect, there's the internet banking aspect. Okay, so also the script will be also available, okay, for you. All right, so let's go straight into it. Now the first thing you will need to do, I assume that you have register a domain name. You already have a domain name to use. If you don't know how to register a domain name, I think I'm going to put a link where I did a video also on how to register a domain name, okay, under the description of this video. So after doing that, you will want to change your name servers. I think it's in the video too. And then you also need a hosting account, okay? So I highly recommend an hosting account, and from a particular hosting platform. I'm going to drop the link um, on the description of this video, okay? For projects like this, for script like this, I'm going to drop the link that you can use, okay? All right, so now you have your domain name set up, you have your hosting account, okay? So you go straight, you log in. After login, you'll be presented with something like this, like what you're seeing now. So right now, as you can see, if you go to the general information, you see that the SSL certificate is not issued, okay? The site is not what is called, look at it when you enter baytrust.online, you see that it is not secure. All right, okay, so that's the first thing you want to do. Okay, so let's go straight into it. Now you need a site called SSL for free. You will be presented with your dashboard. So the next thing you need to do is to enter the domain name. Click next. Click 90 days. Okay, and you can have a free SSL certificate for 90 days, and after 90 days you will have to go through installation again. You just uninstall the certificate and install a new certificate, okay? But if you don't want that, you can go for a 1-year certificate. That's you're going to pay $10 for it. But if you don't want that, every 90 days you can just install new certificate, okay? So next, click next, click next. Okay, so now there are 3 methods. We'll use the HTTP file upload. Okay, so click on download the auth file. So after downloading, you go back to your cPanel. Okay, then we'll go to File Manager. So we go to public_HTML. Now we'll click on folder. You have to click dot. This is what you have to actually do, but this you just copy from the dot well known. Okay, from dot well known, you go to your file manager, you can paste it, and then you click create folder. Okay, so please understand that if you don't see this folder, okay, just go to settings like this, then you check this button home directory, and then check this show hidden files, okay, and then you click save. I've already done mine, that's why I'm able to see this well-known file, but for you, for the first time, you might not be able to see it. So just go to settings, home directory, show hidden files. Okay, you click this home directory, you check this, you click this show hidden files, you click save. All right, so after doing that, you click on the well-known file, and you click folder, and then you come back to and copy from the PKI. You understand that validation. Just take a look at how I'm doing it. You copy from here to this point, and then the copy is Control C. You can Control C, that will copy it, then Control V will paste it. Alright, so you click create new folder. So now we have to double click on it so that we enter inside. So you double click and down. Now you upload, click upload, and then you drag the file. Look at the file here. We downloaded, remember we downloaded this opt file. Okay, so look at it, you drag it, okay, inside, and then you leave it, okay. And also you can select file, go to the directory, and then upload any of the ways you want to do it, okay. So you click on this place. So now after doing that, you go to step 3, click this link, and then we'll see if our file is already available there. You close it, click the second link. These two links, make sure that it's active, like you can see the text, the file inside. So if you can see these two, if you click the link and then you can see the text file there, that means you have done it correctly. So what you now need to do is to click next step. After doing that, you're going to click verify domain. So you just give it a couple of some seconds, and then you're going to be presented with a zip file to download. So let's wait for it. Alright, your certificate has been issued and it's ready for installation. So this is the file. So we have to download. Click it to download, and after doing that, we click next step. Okay. So after this, you go to your file manager. You go to your C panel. You understand this control panel here. You scroll down to where you see SSS/TLS. Click on it. Okay, these two private key, you right click, open in a new tab, and then the certificate CRT, you right click and open in a new tab. So let's go to the private key. This is the private key. Make sure that you are not uploading the CRT certificate in or on the private key. You're not uploading the CRT on the private keys. Do you understand? So make sure, like what I'm actually saying, that this is the private key. We'll scroll down and then we'll upload the right file there. Okay, so this is the file we downloaded. So we right click on it and extract it like this. Double click on it, then here is the private key. We click on it, then we'll click open, we'll upload it. After doing that, you close this, and then we'll come to this is the certificate. Okay, so go down and then you choose a file. You see what I'm trying to say? You don't need to mix this up. Okay, upload the right file. Okay, after doing that, you close this, and then now you can click manage SSL sites. All right, scroll down, select domain, select the domain name here, and then you click auto fill by domain. All right, then you click install SSL, install certificate. So right now we have a successful installation here. You can click OK, and then we'll go back to the home page. You can see that it is what secure. Okay, unlike before, if you rewind the video, you will see that when we came here, we were having error. So right now, this is secured. We can click the link like this, and then right now you can see that what it is secured. Okay, the connection word is secured. All right, look at it. Okay, so now we have successfully done that. The first thing we'll have to do next is to create a database. Okay, so scroll down and click on under database. You click on database wizard. Okay, my square database. So you click on this like this. So you can give it any name. Okay, we can give it educate. You can use the same name, okay, or you can use a different name. So for password, you can use password generator. Then you copy and you check I have used. Then you click on the use password. After doing that, please make sure you are saving the database. Okay. So click create user and please check all privileges. Okay. So let me copy this. This is the database username. Alright. Come here and then I'll paste the information. I minimize and I'll click next. So we have finished what? Creating a database. So we'll go back to the main menu. After doing that, let's go to email accounts. Okay, let's create some email accounts. Create and then let's create the info. Generate a password for it. So copy. We want to use the same password for all. Okay, so these are the emails I want to create. So I'm using the same password for all actually. Create account, first one. So I'll go to create again. I'll create support. I'm using the same password. Alright. Create again. It's time create accounts. I'm using the same password for all emails. Okay. So it is not compulsory that you have to use the same passwords. Okay. Just this is just for educational purposes. So that's why I'm using the same password. So you have to use different password for your emails. Okay. Create a live chat. Okay, right now we are done creating all the image that we're going to be using. Alright, so I will not log into them now. I have to go back to the control panel home page again. So I've scrolled down. Now this is the time for us to upload our file, the script. Okay, this is the time for us to upload the script. So to do that, you go to File here, under File menu, you click on the File Manager. Okay, so you click on public_HTML. Alright, so now we have to upload the script. Okay, click Upload, then click Select File. Let's go to Download. Okay, here's the folder. So click on it. Click Edit Bank. Then click here. This is the script, and we upload it. So we have to wait for it to finish uploading. So I might want to pause the video so that this wouldn't take much time. Okay. So when it's fully uploaded, I'm going to come back. All right. So our script has fully uploaded. So let's click on this to go back, and then you see the file like this. So what you have to do is right click on it and then click extract. Okay. Then click close. All right, so these are the files. Okay. What we are going to do now is to connect the database. Okay. To the one we created. You know, we created a database. So right now we have to connect the database. Okay. So click on digital. Yeah, click on digital, this folder. And after that, you click on library. And then you're going to see config.php. Click on it, right click on it rather, then click edit. Right click on the config.php, you click edit. Okay. So now we have to replace this database information here under the database connection config here to the information we created. So for user, actually the user and the database name, they are the same. So we can just like this paste it, and then the database name I think is as the same. Okay, if you look at this is the same. This and this, they are the same. So now we copy the password and then paste it on the password, database password, which is here. Okay, this one is the password, and after doing that, the next thing you will do is to correct some of the domain, like the domain name. Okay, if you look at the domain name here, this is not the one that we are working with. So what you have to do now to help you edit large file, okay, easily without just scrolling down, you just press Ctrl F. Okay, then you press Ctrl F. Okay, you have to, sorry for this, after you press Ctrl F, you have to type this, sorry, okay, which is this file here. So I want to replace it with the current one that we have, Bay Trust Corporate. Okay, so remember how I did this. So let me cancel it so that you can see it again. Control F. Okay, and then after typing what you want to replace, okay, you click this addition sign and then you type in the word you want to replace with. Then after doing that, you click what? Replace here. Replace here. If you can look at these two files now, they have been replaced. Okay, so this is very handy when it comes to you looking for where a particular word is. Maybe you have this word in about a file that is maybe 1,000 plus or 5,000 plus, and instead of you scrolling down and start looking for them one after the other, these commands just help you just do everything. Okay, so I hope we understand this. We're still going to be using this function, okay, much later to edit our code. Okay, so after doing that, you click. When you see that there is no, like if you see this is 0 of 0, meaning this word Spring Credit Union in this file, there is no other word again like Spring Credit Union. Okay, so you see there's 0 of 0 now. Then you can click Save Changes. So after doing that, you close this file. Okay, now we have connected the database. So what we have to do now, we have connected it, but we have not uploaded our database file. Okay, so what to do that, we scroll down to under database, we click phpMyAdmin. All right, so now you can see the database that we created, which is this. So you just click on it. After clicking it, you now import. You click import. Okay, choose file. All right, then we will import this. Okay, .sql, yes. Then we click go. So it has been successfully imported. So now let's go back to our home page. Okay, if we enter our domain, we will now see a full functioning banking world website. Okay, so now the next thing we have to do, like our name is Bay Trust Corporate, so we have to now edit this bank. Okay, so this is where you have to be patient to edit all the links. Okay, you have to change the links to yours. Okay, you have to change like all these menus, business, personal loans, you have to edit the name to what the current domain name that you're using. All right, so let's do that quickly. So let's go back to File Manager. Okay, so to do that, the first thing we have to go to, you can use this up one level, or you can use this place to actually click on the public underscore HTML. So when we are on the public underscore HTML, you just scroll down to where you will see index.html. Okay, so click on it, right click, then click edit, click edit again. So now the file will open. So right now we have to remember the function that we use to edit. If you look at this now, you see from the line of from one, okay, one line of code to about 743, it will be really let me say time demanding, or it will really take your time to just edit just one file while you have a lot of files to edit and change. It will be hard for you to edit it by simply just finding the words and cleaning and typing. You understand? So this is where this comes very necessary. So Control F, okay, and then we want to erase this to our Spring Credit Union. So you see it's appearing in 10 places, like 1 of 10. Okay, this on the line 18, it's the first one. So click the addition sign. We want to replace it with Bay Trust Corporate. Okay, so after typing this, we click this replace. You see, as I click, it's remaining 9. So you just be clicking on it, replace. I've replaced all in matter of seconds. Okay, if you look at this place, everyone at Bay Trust Corporate, you understand. So this is very useful, and it saves you a whole lot of time. Okay, in a matter of seconds, I've edited a whole 700 plus line of code. Okay, so after doing that, what you also make sure that this is the name. I've edited the name, and the second thing I will need to do, I will have to clean it like this so that I can see where this link is appearing. Okay, just look at what I'm doing. I come back here, trust. So I just want to change where this Spring Credit Union link as a domain is appearing. I want to change it to Bay Trust Corporate link. So if you can look at this here, you see that it's appearing about 6. Okay, so just click replace. You understand? Just be replacing them. All right, so now it's 0 of 0. By the time you click save changes, it will change everything. So let's go back to the site again and let's refresh. So as you can see now, on the favicon side, you see Bay Trust Corporate. Even the email has changed. You understand? If you scroll down, wow, look at it. You have a wonderful banking website. Okay, look at it. Okay, imagine everywhere it has been updated. So amazing. So wonderful banking script. Wonderful. If you ask me, this can take you a whole lot of years to do this, but right now you have it at your fingertips. Okay, all you have to do, you just check the description. You will see the link on how to get the script. Okay, all right, so now this is the first thing we have edited. So if you notice the logo, we have to change the logo. All right, so let's check where the file is. You just right click on the logo and click open a new tab. So we'll see that, sorry, I have to open the image link, like open image in new tab. All right, so this is where the logo is. So now let's go to it's at site default files, and then we'll see the file here. Okay, so now let's go to our file manager and scroll up. So it's on sites, it's on this folder. The next one is default, on the files, and then we'll search for what? The logo. So search for logo. This is the logo. Look at it. You see it's logo.png. all right, so which is this logo.png. So right click on it. We have to delete and replace it. Okay, so now let's upload our current one. This is the current one we want to use. Let's click on it. Let's go back. So if we refresh here now, you see that it is now Bay Trust Corporate. Do you understand? It's now Bay Trust Corporate. So if we go back, this will have to take a while for it to reflect. Okay, to do that, you can actually, to see the changes instantly, you can actually control F5. That's, you press the control down, the F5. you see the up key where you have F1, F2, F3, just like that. You understand? Just press Control F5. Okay, it will instantly show you the changes that you are trying to make. Okay, so now we have successfully changed our logo, and it's beautiful, it's amazing. Okay, next thing now we want to look at is to check the internet banking. So you click the login here, and then you click login, and let's see what happens. So now it has taken us to where our internet banking login page. So if you also notice, you see that we have to change the logo here on the internet banking login page. So to do that, you right click on here and click open image in a new tab. So we have to see where the file is so that we can upload a new one. So right now it's at digital folder login. So now let's go to our file manager. We see that it's where you can check this up one level to go back, or you can just go back to public underscore HTML here, and then it's on digital. After digital, we enter the login folder, and then this is the logo.png. That's what you have here. Okay, so now let's delete it and replace it with ours. Okay, so let's upload our own. All right, so these are own. So we'll go back to here, and then by the time you refresh it also, you see that it has changed. And also, for you to instantly see it here, you will notice that you might have to use that same Control F5 so that you can actually see the changes. Okay, so now we have our internet banking login page. Okay, all right, let's create accounts. Okay, click login, first time login, and then click here the image to upload a passport. You understand? Yes, the name, you can use any name for now. Yes, the email address. Password, just choose a password. Confirm password, then you enter PIN, choose a PIN. Then you confirm the PIN. Click next. You enter phone number. Enter date of birth. You just enter it, look at the format. You use this format to enter. The first one is the month, the day, and then the year. Under gender, we choose male. Account type, savings, then click next. So you enter the street, 200, then the zip code, then the state, then the country. You click register. Okay, so now we have successfully registered as an open a bank account. So what we have to do now is to log in. So we click login now. Okay, let me see if I can go back. Okay, please check your email and wait until administrator validates your account, then you can log in into your account. You understand? So let's log in. So let's go to the admin. Okay, let's log into the admin of the bank. We enter the password. Click login. You will see the information. Okay, so now it is not still active. You can decide not to make it active. You can also decide to make it active. Okay, so we'll click to activate it, and let's check the email. Wow, look at that. But there is a little work to be done here. We have to edit this information so that it carries our own banking word information. So let's try and do that. Okay, so let's go back to public_html, go to digital, go to library. Let's check the mail function. Okay, the mail.php. Let's click edit. Alright, so let's use our Control F and check where there is Spring Credit Union. Okay, so let's replace this with Pay Trust Corporate. Okay, so let's replace this. Alright, okay. Alright, so now this is done. So we have edited the mail.php. Let's check this also, the function. We use that same thing, and then we check this here, this Pragma stuff here. We have changed this Spring Credit. So there are two informations we have to check. This Spring Credit is what on the mail.php, whereas this Pragma capital, it's where found in the function folder. Okay, so alright, so let's replace it. Okay, that's good. So now let's try and repeat the same thing and see how the email works now. First of all, let's delete this and try and re-register again. Okay, and let's see if the details will come the right way. Okay, so let's go back to the home page and let's try and register again. So this is how you actually edit the bank. Okay, so all right, say Morgan. Okay, so let's choose a password, confirm the password, choose a PIN, then verify the PIN. Let's put the phone number. Choose a date in this format. Okay. Check the account type and then enter the street. Just check the state and then the country. Then click register account. Okay. So now it's successfully registered. Let's log in and then we check. Right now, as you can see, everything works fine and perfectly. As you can see, the Bit Trust Corporate, it shows everything, and if you look at this, everything that came right into inbox and everything. So it's a wonderful script here. So when you click here, you have this is the account number. This is to inform you, okay, that your account is registered successfully with Bit Trust Corporate Bank and currently inactive. We will soon contact you once it gets activated. In case you need any further clarification for the same, please do get in touch with your branch. Okay, all right, so everything here works. So let's take the account number that is created for us and try to log in. So let's enter our password. All right. Oops, sorry, and I think we're yet to, rather, I have to go to the admin. We have to activate the account, remember? Okay, so go back to the login page, yes. Then we paste the account number and enter our password. Then we click next. Oh, sorry, I didn't put the password when. Okay, so let's click next, and then we enter our PIN, and then we click next. So wow, we have what logged in into our bank. So let's credit this user. Or sorry, rather, let's activate. Let's go to the account and let's activate transfer for this account. Okay. If you don't activate the transfer, this account will not be able to make transfer. Okay. So let's go over to the account and let's see how we can credit this account. So the person can actually make withdrawals. Let's put 100,000. Let's use this date format and then put credit from loan application. Okay, and let's proceed. So right now this account has a balance of 10,000. So let's reload and see the balance if it will reflect. Okay, it has reflected, credit available. And let's see also if there's going to be an email sent to this. Wow, as you can see, Bit Trust Corporate payment notification. Okay, look at it. Okay, your account number with this 119036269 was credited. Amount this, and the account balance is this. All right, so amazing. This is amazing. And let's try and see if we can do a transfer, fund transfer. Let's see. We'll do fund transfer to other banks. Let's check this. Let's use the same. Let's check this. Let's say credit. Okay. Credit for family. Okay, so let's click on transfer. Okay, now OTP code has been sent, and let's check if we're going to get the same thing. Okay, look at it, transaction authorization code. So let's pick your one-time transaction authorization code is this. So let's pick it, and let's go over to and let's enter it. And let's try and validate the transfer. Amazing, amazing. This is wonderful. This is amazing. Look at that. Look at that. Active transfer function. Okay. So let's wait and see what happens. So okay, almost finished. Okay, now we are asked to enter what a tax pin, okay, to complete the transfer, okay, or customer care, or we should contact customer care below. What to obtain what tax clearance code. So the admin, okay, will be the one to provide this. So I've taken it, so let me paste it and then validate the transfer. So okay, you can also activate transfer, you can deactivate transfer. There are a whole lot you can do with this banking, this online banking script. Just check the description, you will get what the banking script. All right, you've seen information how to get it. So amazing, look at it, transfer confirmation. Okay, you can also download this transfer, okay, receipt. The description is here and everything. Okay, we transferred 10,000, and then we have what 90,000 as a balance. Okay, amazing. Let's check our email and see also if we get anything. Okay, wow, this is a debit notification. This is a debit notification. Okay, wow, amazing. So you can do a lot. Okay, a lot. There's ATM. You can view ATM credit cards, and you can apply for loan. You can apply for loan a lot. A wonderful script. Okay. Now let's try and log out. So wow, amazing. This is so cool. Okay, so now this is the front page. Okay, so right here you can edit. Okay, the loan place. Amazing. If you ask me, it's amazing. Wow, look at this. Fully functional banking website. Okay, fully functional online banking. Okay, online banking, checking, savings, mobile, a whole lot. Wonderful, amazing. Okay, with good numbers of pages. Okay, amazing. This is so great. This is so lovely. Okay, so how you have to do, you have to edit all the pages. Okay, I will also show you that. Okay, if you need me to show you that, okay, you can also tell me. I will be able to do that. Okay, now look at this. You can change this thing. Okay, the way we change the index, the front page, you can also change everything, the links, the right links, and everything. You can do that. Okay, wow, amazing. So thank you for watching. Please, if you have any comment, if you have any question on how to use the script, on how to get the script, don't forget that the link is what under the description of this video. You can get the script. Okay, also the second script, okay, contains SMS alert. Okay, you saw how alerts were going to the email. Okay, so this script I just worked with what as the email alerts. Okay, the other script as the SMS alert, including email alert. So as you're getting SMS alert, you're also getting email alert. When a customer creates account, the customer gets alert, okay, of new accounts, okay, of the account number also sent to the phone, and also what the email. And also when the customer is being credited or make a transfer or does anything, even there's an OTP function before any transfer is made. The OTP sent to email will also be sent to the phone. So if you want this script, there's a link, okay, under the description of this video, so you can get it as well. Thank you for watching, and then I'll see you on my next video tutorial.